when a woman starts to pull away. Most men panic and begin to chase harder, but that only pushes her away more. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 4 powerful things you need to do to get her back and regain your value in her eyes. 1. Do not chase her. One of the biggest mistakes men make when they feel a woman pulling away is to chase after her. Chasing makes you look desperate and needy, which kills attraction. Never chase a woman pulling away. By not chasing her, you show that you have self-respect and that you are not dependent on her attention. This makes you more mysterious and intriguing, which naturally draws her back in. When you don't chase her, you are showing her that she is not that valuable to you, and you have better things to chase. 2. Withdraw all your attention. Pulling away your attention is a powerful move. This means both physically and on social media. Don't view her stories, stop liking or commenting on her posts, and definitely avoid texting her first. By completely withdrawing your attention, you create a sense of loss for her. She'll start to wonder why you're not reaching out and why you're no longer interested. This space gives her the chance to miss you and realize what she's losing. The absence of your attention makes you more desirable and restores the power balance. 3. Improve your life. If a girl pulls away, instead of feeling pity for yourself, you should focus on self-improvement. Start going to the gym, work on your finances, and elevate your style. When you start leveling up your life, women naturally take notice. Even if she's not around, the improvements you make will indirectly get her attention through mutual friends or social media. Women are attracted to men who are constantly striving to be better. By showing her you're improving without her, you reignite her interest as she sees the man she was once drawn to becoming even more valuable. 4. Date other girls. Dating other women is one of the most powerful ways to get her back. When she realizes that you're not waiting around for her and that other women are interested in you, her competitive nature will kick in. Women are naturally drawn to men who are in demand. This will trigger her fear of losing you to someone else. By dating other girls, you're showing her that you have options, and options are attractive to women. This will make her want to reconnect with you and fight for your attention once again. These 4 steps are all about taking back control. When she pulls away, you don't have to panic or chase after her. Instead, you have to start withdrawing your attention, improving your life, and dating other girls. That will make you become more attractive and valuable in her eyes. She will naturally want to come back to you because you know your worth and isn't afraid to walk away. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.